Hey everyone, and welcome back to our deep dive into XGENIA. As experienced engineers, we know that building a modern app means connecting to external services. Today, we're taking a significant leap, integrating an external AI model via the Hugging Face API. Let's start by creating a function node. We need a way to trigger the API call, so we rename the node as API Connection. This node is our gateway to any external API. Alright, now let's set the code inside the node. We'll break it down one by one. First, we declare const API key to safely hold our API key. This key, retrieved from inputs.api key, is the crucial credential that authenticates our request with the service provider. Next, const provider takes the value from inputs.provider. This defines which platform or service, like OpenAI or another LLM vendor, we intend to use for the operation. Then const model ID gets the value from inputs.model ID. This specifies the exact AI model we want to run, often influencing performance and cost. We assign the actual input from the user to const user message, sourced from inputs.userMessages. This is the primary text prompt the AI will process. Then, const system prompt captures the value from inputs.system prompt. This is a set of pre-written instructions used to set the AI's role, tone, or constraints for the conversation. Finally, const existing history is populated with inputs.existing history. This is important for context, allowing the AI to maintain a coherent and relevant conversation based on previous turns. If all the parameters are validated and present, the program moves on to the core logic. These lines are where we actually send the user's message to the external AI service. Now, let's inspect the line. Let's continue. This line is a critical validation step, meaning if even one of these essential components is missing, the condition is true and the program will halt or show an error. It uses the logical on all four variables: API key, provider, model ID, and user message, and connects them with the logical or operator. Outputs.errorMessage. This assigns the resulting string value to a property named errorMessage within an object called outputs. This is the standard way to set the error message that will be returned or logged. The initial error text, error, this starts the message with a common prefix to clearly indicate that the string contains an error notification. Plus API key, this appends the string API key to the message. It's likely indicating that the API key parameter is required or missing. Plus provider, this includes the string provider, indicating the service provider parameter is required. Plus model ID, this adds the string model ID, pointing out that the model identifier is a necessary field. Plus user messages, this adds the string user messages, suggesting that the content of the user's request or the message itself is a required input. And finally, plus are required. This completes the error message, intending to tell the user that all the listed items are required. In essence, this line creates a single, hard-coded error message string by joining these individual text snippets together, which will then be stored in the outputs.errorMessage variable. That's how we implement a professional API integration in XGENIA. This principle is key to building complex, data-driven applications. Well done. Thanks for watching. Get XGENIA for free today at xgenia.ai and start building smarter and faster than ever.